Good morning, children. My name is S.K. Kalishavali. I am the faculty of Newton Technology School, and today I want to discuss class 9th first lesson. Our Earth. Our Earth. Our Earth. So we are all living on Earth. Earth is our planet. That means all the human beings, plants, animals which are there on what we are seeing. So these are all are living on Earth. These are all got birth on the Earth only. We also got birth on the Earth, right? So our Earth. First of all, you have to know about the Earth, how it was came. See. Solar system. You have to know about the solar system. What is meant by solar system? What is meant by solar system? So, sun, right. So, sun, 8 planets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one more planet was there, that is Pluto, it was not there. So now only 8 planets are there. So sun and 8 planets. Sun and 8 planets, and each planet having some satellites. So those satellites and the number of visible and invisible stars are mixedly called as solar system. Solar system. Once again, first of all, what are the planets are there? See here, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, so 8 planets are there. One more planet is there, that is Pluto, that is not there. Okay, I have already said that one. And Sun and 8 planets. What are they? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the 8 planets. What is the third planet name? Earth. So today our topic is our Earth. So our Earth is consist of different types of animals, plants, trees, and microorganisms. These are all comes under they got birth on the Earth. And one more point, human beings also got birth on the animals. So on the Earth, human beings also got birth on Earth. But out of all these things, what are they? See, plants, animals, okay, and trees, microorganisms, and animals. Sorry, and human beings. So plants, animals, trees, and microorganisms and human beings all got birth on the Earth. But out of all these human beings are most intelligent than others. So human beings are depending. These are all depending upon each other, but more the human beings are depending upon plants, animals, trees, and microorganisms. Okay, right. Next, for the development purpose, human beings are completely dependent upon all these things. Okay, so for the selfishness of the human beings, they are destroying present days the plants, animals, trees, and microorganisms maximum. But to survive the human beings, they are depending upon others and they are destroying others. But the plants, animals, trees, microorganisms does not destroy the people, but people only wantedly destroying the others. Okay, this is one point. So animals and human beings. This is also one important one. Animals and human beings both are depend on each other mainly, and you see animals are doing good for the environment. environment. Animals are doing good for the environment, but the human beings are not doing any good thing for the environment, and they are spoiling the environment. Spoil environment means land, soil, air, everything was spoiled by the human beings for his for the selfish ideas of the people. So we are destroying the environment conditions, especially human beings are spoiling the environment, and at the same time, first see this one, our Earth planet. Our Earth planet is a storehouse of different minerals, rocks, rivers, forest, etc. Number of things are there on our Earth, but the people are utilizing them without proper calculation, without proper estimation. So that's why the natural resources which are there are decreasing day by day. So how much the resources should be needed for the people, that much only we should use, but people are using more resources. That's why natural resources day by day decreasing. So it is done by the human beings only, not by the animals. Remember. Okay. So human beings depend upon animals. Okay. Nowadays, in the olden days, people population is less. At the same time, they kill animals very less. But now population was increased. At the same time, they also killing animals more and more. That's why the forest area was decreasing. When forest area was decreasing, automatically animals are coming out from the forest, and that animals also killed by the human beings. Okay, right. So, what is the forest area? Next water, next air, and the natural resources. Natural resources. All are using by the people more and more. So, forest, water, air, and different things we are using. So, people depend upon forest, people depend upon water, people depend upon air, people depend upon natural resources, people depend upon fellow animals and fellow human beings. Human beings are depending upon other human beings, and they are wantedly killing the other people also. Human beings are they are destroying the forest. Human beings are spoiling the water. Human beings are spoiling the air. Human beings are decreasing the natural resources. These are all caused by the human beings. At the same time, human beings also spoiling or destroying the others also. So mainly human beings are creating problems to our earth. Fresh air is not there at present days. Why? Because every area is got pollution, and that's why environmental problems also getting nowadays. So environmental problems, environmental problems are increasing. For example, CFC, chlorofluorocarbons. So powerful gases which are added into the air. That's why air was polluted. That polluted air was taken as breathing air by the human beings, animals, and plants. Those are getting to die. This is one important one. Nowadays, population increasing, at the same time, industries also increase. So all industries are creating pollution for the environment. So human beings are the main reason for establishment of industries and creating pollution to the environment. Whatever it may be, mainly for environmental problems also, human beings are main reason. And environmental problems are increasing, and global warming. So global warming. Environment is getting pollution not only in one country, in other different countries the problem is there. And the countries are divided into three categories: developed, developing, and underdeveloped. Especially developed countries are using natural resources more and more. Those countries only causing for the environmental pollution. And at the same time, second place goes to developing countries. See, all these countries are how they are getting development by establishment of industries. For all those industries, natural resources should be needed. That's why they are collecting resources more and more, and they are causing for the environment environmental pollutions, and poisonous gases also releasing, soil, air, water also getting pollutions. So our planet is Earth is having different types of rocks, soils, and minerals. Okay, so and the trees, like the different variety qualities are there in our planet Earth, but all were used by the people, and they are using more and more. That is the main problem of our Earth. Next, so different types of rocks are there, soils also different types are there, and different types of rocks used in different ways by the people. That's why natural resource percentage is decreasing, and at the same time causing for the environmental problems like earthquakes, cyclones, floods, droughts. These are the natural calamities which were happened by the human beings' activities. You see, nowadays fresh air is also not there because pollution was increasing more and more, population also increasing more and more. So that's why no fresh air. The lifetime of the human beings also decreasing. The olden days, the people they lived 100 years. Your grandmothers, grandfathers, they lived more years. But nowadays, the food which we are eating, that is decreasing the energy levels of the human beings, and the people are getting to die at the early ages. Okay.